got China Sam said, I got a big project today. I went and got me this right here. And you know what this is? This is my baby bird cage. This is not a bird, but this is for the chicken. This is a chicken, supposed to be a chicken coop. But I decided I want a big home for Nina and Bongo. Hi baby. Daddy build you a new cage. You hear me? Daddy build you a new cage. Don't bite daddy, okay? Come on. Come on baby. Come on baby. Oh. Come on baby. How is it? You wanna come out? Bongo, no baby. Daddy gonna build you a new home, okay? Come on baby. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Come on baby.
Nina, you wanna come out? You wanna come out, Nina?
They used to have their own separate cage. But since Bongo always wanna get in here, so we put them together.
Oh, look
Now,
at her. You're flapping your wings, Nina.
Now
Go
the
ahead.
cage is a little bit small. Come here, baby. Come see daddy. Come on. Oh, I got something for her. This one, honey.
Yes.
This one, honey.
It looks right.
This
Right?
one, baby. All right, get this one for her.
Yes, it looks right.
One. And one more. And another one.
One more, honey. You forgot the little one. A small one for her.
You're not going to eat it all.
Look above your head. Above your head. See that little one above your head?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Oh!
That one's yours.
This one's for me.
Can you pick that one for me? Look over there.
This one?
Yes, that. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. That looks really yummy.
Alright. Love daddy? Say you love daddy.
Love to bite your finger.
Mm.
Oh, she like that.
Hey, Bongo. Oh. You like that? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Yeah, baby. Oh, no, honey.
Too close.
This is gonna be your new home. Your new home, okay? Come on, come on. Yeah. It's gonna be 8 by 8, 8 feet by 8 feet. It's about 6 feet tall. It's safe for the chicken, but I made this for you guys, okay? Huh? You like? You wanna see it? There you go. You wanna pick the room? Which one you like? Which one you like? Mmm. 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 Okay. That looks simple. Okay. By the way, I got this from Tractor Supply, guys. Support your local. I gotta make sure they're all here. All right. How many are these in here? Okay, gotta make sure everything's all here. Right.
So, yeah, what are we doing here?
Hi, baby. Building a bird cage. It's about time.
Loosey goosey. It's like
Just like that. Okay.
ready. Put on right there.
I need all the help I can get.
Hey, I'm a very helpful person.
How about get second opinion?
Mom's my second opinion.
It?
Good.
Oh yeah. There's a big cage, baby.
Okay, that's the third panel. How many more to go?
Let's see. Let's not.
Okay. Nah, it's just... You gotta bump it.
Okay.
I got it. Yes. Like that.
Remember, the floor is not level.
Okay.
That's why he does that, right?
Okay.
Got it? Okay. Now when I screw it in, it's gonna balance it out.
Okay.
Okay?
Ready?
See?
I love it.
What the door is gonna be? Flip around on it. Upside down. Oh no. That's good. Like that. Give me, you can have this one here. Alright, we'll be on right here. Right? Put that down. Okay, good. Where's the inspector when I need him?
Holding the camera.
Yeah. Easy. Okay. Okay, go ahead, shoot. Okay, stop. That's good for now. Snap the pin right in. Bam. Okay. Same thing. Up. You on?
Yes.
Oh yeah, good.
Better.
Okay, we'll adjust it. That'll be tightened. Okay, all done. Okay. Oh yeah. Coming together. Okay, good. You go.
And you're good. Alright, I'll see you later.
How you like your new home, Nina? You got a big home, baby. Look at that. Okay. Right under the shade. More room to play now, huh? There you go. More room to play. Look at you. Look at you. What do you think, baby? You like it? Do you like it? Like it? Say something. Hello? Hello? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yes. Hope you enjoy your new home, baby. Now the bird cage is complete. I think it's time to play with the bears. The bears are hungry. It's going to be an epic, guys. It's going to be an epic. Let's do it. Ooh, baby. Baby, look at that. Look at that beautiful fish. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh. Oh, she.
See them from here.
The big mama got a cut on her. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. Look at the beauty. Now, I'm gonna release some of my small wild shiners in here, but I know this bass is gonna attack it, eat it the first minute I put them in there. But I'm gonna get this guy full by giving him these dead shiners. Once they get full, and I can release those wild shiners in here, make sure they survive.
Oh my God, they're waiting.
Make sure they survive. Come on, this handful, honey. Look, come here. Okay, handful. Watch.
Yes.
Okay, I wanna pick the big one.
Throw it in.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Come here, honey, come here.
Go ahead. They're attacking me. Oh my God, they're attacking the shiners.
Right here. Come on, Lucy, Juicy. Oh. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. Now before I release my wild shiners, I'm gonna get this guy full first. Otherwise they'll finish all the wild shiners.
Oh my God.
See that?
One more time.
Look at that. Would you look at that? Come here, baby. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Yes, come on.
Oh my God.
Hey, honey.
Handful again.
The bird cage is done. I work hard. Now
How
can I
can you
play?
think about bird cage when
I
you're
know,
in
I'm
front
so
of this
happy. I'm
bass?
so
Oh my
happy
God.
the bird cage is done.
One more time, go.
Now it's time for me to play. now. See if they're gonna go crazy again. They're still eating. Should we get our wow shiners now?
Sure, yes.
Let's go get them. Hopefully this guy won't eat it.
Why not?
That way they'll give them a chance to moving around. We gotta knock them out. They're gonna be easy.
Oh, they'll eat it.
I was gonna knock them out, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna take it like this so the bats won't eat them out all in one drop. Look at these, ooh, they're jumping.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay, good.
All right, let me get some. Look at this. After half bucket of that bait, they still want some food. Now I gotta release these wow shiners so they don't eat. Ready, honey?
Which way? Wait.
I'm gonna get away from them.
Good. Oh my God. Oh, they're going crazy. They're going nuts. Oh my God, they're going crazy.
Oh, look at okay, look at it. After all those half bucket.
Oh my God, they're going crazy. Oh, look. Oh my God. Look. You gotta stop. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh my God. They couldn't get away fast enough. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Dead bait and live bait are different.
Versus wow shiners.
Dead bait and live bait are different.
Lively.
Well, I was hoping that the wow shiner will survive. 50% chance.
No, they got all of them. That was
No,
that was
No,
half a
that's
bucket
not all
full.
of it.
Wow.
That's not all of it. Oh my goodness. Did you see what it is?
Oh my God.
Alright.
Look at the duck. Hey, ducky.
That was crazy, guys. Alright. Ooh, they're still
Still
eating.
going at it.
Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, okay? If you guys want to see a couple hundred of wow shiner release all in one time and have the bats going crazy, leave the comment down below, guys.
I want to see it again. That was amazing.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.